Balik-balik. Balik na kami. Ayan. Di na, ante. Okay. Last day na namin dito, guys. Ayan, no. What they have? Chicken yakiniku. Oh. Ay, yakiniku. Basta. Kala ko barbecue. Glass noodles. Ham. Thailand. And a salted fried rice. And the rest is all the same. Okay. Ito, pakpak only. There, the pakpak on the side. There. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's all. That's enough. Thank you. Yan yung mousse. Yan. Malak noodles na damdaman. Day 6. Mamaya balik na kaming Singapore.
Kali tinggal sini setahun.
Okay.
And then next year, next time we stay here 1 year.
Yeah.
In
Sorry.
coconut.
Na kami.
Capital.
Now is Jakarta lah.
Tapi belum lagi lah.
Belum. But only Vice President Mr. Gibran will move to the IKN Nusantara. But Prabowo still here.
Oh.
Yeah, only
Vice President
Gibran.
go there.
Vice President go there, Prabowo President here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when
Sedikit lagi masih jam.
jadi bang di hotel situ hari-hari ya. Kalau misalnya kita pulang ada
Ya,
situ lah.
tapi ada juga hotel hari ini ada 3. Jadi saya yang handle.
Oh, tiga.
3 Holiday Inn.
Oh, tiga holiday
Iya.
inn. All the holiday inn you went.
Sumapay lang kami din. Tama din ang kaya tabi.
Ada 3 kompak.
Okay. They can fly, you know.
Iya. Madam, you buy the
House.
house here.
Kapit sa
Apartemen.
life.
Apartemen. New apartment.
Apartment dia.
Yeah. Still cheaper because the first one.
Oh. Kondo.
Yeah, like condo.
Is a new project. Capital like.
Kapit sa life.
This is west of Jakarta.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. New.
Yeah, we're
3 star.
reaching the
Ini dia
airport,
sepatu
yes.
salah aja. Sepatu kalau iblis tak ada orang masuk.
Takut. Iblis Hotel.
Datang. Ayan na yung airport. Ayan.
Iblis.
So kind
Kalau
of-
marah-marah ya kamu iblis. Oh, Scoot.
Oh.
Singapore. Singapore.
Oh, Singapore, right.
Singapore.
Singapore.
It's good. It's good.
Nanti kita punya kapal terbang lalu sini.
Ya.
Abang tunggu sini. Saya buka tingkat kapal terbang. Lambai ya.
How about you, Ellen? What's your flight?
Ellen.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
The blue color. Dark blue.
Terminal 3 ya?
Yeah, sama.
Oh sama.
Oh
Okay.
sama, same ah.
Oh.
How many terminal down here?
1, 2, 3.
1,
Oh,
2,
got
3.
three.
Yeah. If Air Asia in Terminal 2.
Oh,
But,
shit.
yeah. But Singapore,
Sa airport
Scott, Terminal 3.
Aman kasi gumalap sa mga Pilipinas. The airport also very nice, no? You see the gardens. Yeah, I see the gardens. My mom
Oh,
likes the
cantik lah yang
flowers.
dia pula ada
Wow.
flower. Oh, yellow.
Nice
Oh,
flower.
nice ah.
Nice flower.
big nights also.
This one, it won't take the lifespan is how many months only.
Oh.
Yeah. Singapore Airlines, Asia, Western Vietnam Airlines, Sri Lankan, Philippine Airlines, all the airlines. Oh, the gate 4 is the gate 4 din naman din. Garuda gate 5. Oh, that's the
SQ.
torchlight. You see the torchlight?
That's like.
SQ post.
But this one better.
Get
Better. You see the pinning one, alamak, really a torchlight one.
It's a torchlight. Like, you know, the spaceship.
Yeah, the rocket,
Yeah,
the buntut part.
correct.
Subuntut.
Like, fly like this
Sabuntot.
one, go to the ground.
Yeah, stuck in the ground.
Oh, this one, ganda. Thing down there. At ka na tao, Jay, ko na ano, hindi mo din bagpagagami. Nagpintas di ba pa ni?
Baka magkalkalsada ka.
Inalak mo tayo, Jay, ko. Ay, nagpintas niya. Oh,
Sa sabong tinalabagitan ni ka na hungot tilungot mo na.
Terminal 3, welcome back and have a nice flight. Okay, see you next time, madam.
Hati-hati ya, hati-hati ya.
Sama-sama, ya.
Kirim salam ke rumahnya, anak-anaknya ya.
Baik, terima kasih.
Insyaallah.
We come here, we will call you.
Insyaallah.
Certainly, with pleasure.
Call you.
Kurang-kurang ada 45 minit ke setengah jam ya.
Ya,
Kalau tak
35
jam,
minit.
kalau no traffic jam.
Yeah. SQ here.
Oh ya, okay, alhamdulillah.
Number one.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Next time we come here, we will call you.
Okay,
Pick us
thank
at the
you
airport.
so much.
Wala the difference pa. Kaya mo. Sa gitna.
Is the airport?
The train also.
Hmm.
Rail train.
I think that's the one lah, the other,
The
the
train.
monorail.
Monorail.
Yan, dito na kami sa airport. Ayan, no. Balik na kami. Ayan. Di na, ante. Airport na niya, naglinis. Ayan. Can manage? Okay. Yan, ante niya. Ala, nagbenta si airport din eh. So gold led. Yan, oh. Ganda, ah. Diyan niya, Andin. Bye-bye. Mamaya papasok na kami dyan. Uwi na kami. Ayan yung arrival hall yan. Oh. Yan. The arrival hall. Doon kami dumating dyan. Ulit na magmag. Yan o. You saw him?
No, I didn't. Today what dance ah?
WH Smith.
WHS Jakarta.
Jakarta. Our food. Onde-onde.
Meanwhile.
Arrival.
2,000 years later.
Kain na. Ulam ko. Niluto ko sa air fryer kasamang hotdog. Yan. May kape, may sardinas. May ako nabuksan yan. Baka busog na ako. Charot. Yan. Yan ang kanin ko. Basmati rice. Kain tayo, guys. Karating lang namin kaninang midnight. Galing sa Jakarta. Okay. Kain, guys. Ayan, o. Longganisa from the Philippines. hot dog from Philippines and mega sardines from Philippines. Sardinas at hotdog. Ayan o. Sardinas ang ulam natin.